Good afternoon, friends. Yesterday, I visited Lucknow, and while strolling in Hazratganj, on the street itself, we find lots of booksellers who have got their books on them, selling books. I generally, whenever I go, I find time to spend some time there and select few books for me. My only one and only passion. There, one of the booksellers gave me a beautiful reply when I asked him why bookshops are important, and that too on that street. Today I'm going to talk to you on why bookshops are important. He said, "Sir, we need to understand that bookstores are not just a place to sell a product, sell books. And that too on these streets. Bookstores are one of the most important elements of any high street in any city." I said, how and why? He said, we give advices to people who come and talk to us on many things. Far too many people, travelers, they ask for directions. So we give advices, we give directions to the lost tourists or strangers coming to the city for the first time. We act as a tour guide's whole day. We have events and help keep the local community alive. And of course, we also try to sell few books, which these days, buying books, the hobby of buying books and reading has dropped down badly. But courtesy Corona, one good thing has happened. Because of this forced self-isolation, people have hit to books, buying books. Besides online, as more and more countries go into lockdown, you see, bookshops around the world are having to think of a creative ways to serve their customers and communities. In the creative people who think creatively, they find creative ways to serve their customers and book lovers. They create few space. Everybody creates some space in their houses since they can't come out and it's in lockdown. A comforting place. If you're not where they can read their books in peace and they don't have to visit any bookshops. And over the past few years, as the whole world has felt increasingly tumultuous, bookshops remain in danger from online and retailers and big chains. They have experienced some kind of this lockdown. They are experiencing some kind of resurgence. Once again, for people to hit for good books. And I, since my profession as an army, it involved me visiting places, moving one place to another, and after 2 years or 3 years, I have a rough and a ready yardsticks to measure the quality of life of any town and cities. On the positive side are the number of schools, colleges and bookstores they have. And on the negative, the number of cinemas and restaurants. But the ultimate litmus test of a town's sophistication, my friend, is the number of bookshops they have. It has the number of people going to the visiting bookshops for buying books. It's the kind of books, the bookstalls they stock and the customers they draw. The stores that cater to students selling schools and college textbooks, they do not count very much, my friend. It is actually the others which have books on fiction, poetry, science, technology, philosophy, comparative religion, and general knowledge. And the kind of people who buy them defines the quality of the people in a city and the standard of the people inhabiting that city, and of course speaks high of the city's intellectual faculties. I'm very heartened to see that those book prices of books kept going on. Book buying is also on increase. And I must say, while I was posted in West Bengal, in Calcutta, Panagarh, Bardwan, Shantiniketan, so many places, Bengalis have always been book buyers. The day they receive their salaries, they go to buy their rations of reading and the books which they want to read in the month. I used to call dal bhat and machar jhol are the second priority. People of the stage, all of them, they are very fond of reading. And secondly, from there I went to Punjab. Punjab is in the bottom of list of people, or the list for the book buyers, or the love for the books they have. Top of the list of the, in Punjab it is somewhere other way around. The top of the list of consumers of beers and tandoori chicken are turning more bookish. I had evidence this recently when I visited Chandigarh. There is a very famous bookstall, the Capital Bookstore. When you go, you must visit there, which is the leading bookshop in the city, and the bright idea of inviting. They had initiated a bright idea of inviting the authors to meet their patrons and autograph their books for them. I also had tried my luck, but actually nobody had come for my signatures. You see, everybody was more interested in the authors who are well known, well established, and are well connected, or little more elderly than me. You see, now I still feel that while you are stuck at home, the people who are stuck at home and indeed are in need of some creative engagement, books are certainly the best thing they can do with. And of course, in Corona time, the books have certainly felt more vital than ever, more important than ever. This is the best time for all of you to get hold of the books you always wanted to read. When you are stuck in self-isolation and only involved in a virtual use, they will add these books, they will add to your knowledge, these will be the best utilization of time. That is why, my friend, I find that bookshops are important, and reading books is the finest activity. Yesterday I picked up a few books from Lucknow. I'll take some time to read and come back for review. Thank you very much.